Hey John, my name is Lee Terbienic, and I spoke with Medea yesterday regarding your guys' OlympiaServices.net website. Noticed a couple key elements you guys are missing, which is affecting your ranking and traffic coming to it. So in this video, I'm going to explain 3 tips on how to fix your website, basically, and optimize it for Google so you can start pulling in some real traffic and getting a lot more business through the door. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now, you got to think Google is just a crawling website. All it can do is read. So the more content you have on your homepage, the better. You guys need at least 1,500 words of optimized content, keyword-rich optimized content to be in the rankings for Google. So as we scroll down, you guys do have some content here, but I'm not seeing any SEO done work and maybe 100 to 200 words total. So that's hurting you at the moment. I did a quick search for plumber San Diego, acting as if I was just a normal person who has a plumbing issue that needs to find a plumber, and you guys did not show up on this first page, and Core Plumbing SD is in first place on the first page. So I wanted to see what kind of content they have. So here's their home page, and as we scroll down, they do have some content right here. Here's a keyword, keywords throughout here, content there, but again, not 1,500 words, which is this homepage is very beatable. So we go out and get that 1,500 words, you'd easily beat them in that aspect. But let's go back to this main search. So plumber San Diego search. Now Google's broke down into 3 sections. Up top here is the Google Ads. This middle section is the Google My Business or GMB listings. And this bottom section is the organic section, which is your website. So I don't really focus on ads too much. You're going to gain tons of traffic from ranking in the top 3 here and on the first page for a lot of keywords, so we don't really need to pay cost per click for anything. So let's focus on this. So this is the GMB section, or Google My Business. Now what ranks you in this top 3 is citations. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. And like the yellow pages, Yext, CityStar, BBB, Facebook's even one of them. The more you have that are powerful, the better and the higher you'll rank, along with some good reviews, pictures, replying to any comments. You got to stay active with it. But as we look here, we see Discount Plumbing San Diego's in first place. So I wanted to see how many citations they have. So I have a tool I use called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder. And I plugged in their information. And as you can see, it's still loading. One second. Okay, there it is. So they have 36 citations to claim that top spot. So, and just to give you an idea of what citations actually are, this allows me to click right in on their citation sources. As you can see, Discount Plumbing. And this is going to show me all the sources that they're getting their citations from. So YouTube, Facebook, Bing, Foursquare, BBB, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, Kev's Best. And this is the domain authority, or how powerful that the website is that they're getting it from. So the good part about this is we know all these red dots are submittable, so we can go and grab and apply for all these for your business. And then we go and add 100 to 200 more, get up above them and beat them in the rankings and get up in this top 3. And then next thing you know, you guys are getting a ton of traffic just from being in the top 3 here. Like I said, it's that easy. It's just most people don't know what to do here. So that's citations and the GMB. And on this bottom section, this is the organic section. Now what ranks you in here is authoritative backlinks. So a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. They are very important and are very powerful to your ranking. So Google considers every backlink that you have a vote, because if one website is linking back to your website and is willing to send the traffic that's on their website to you, Google thinks very highly of that and counts it as votes. Like I said, it's like almost like a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks is ranked the highest. So that's what they rank you for. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your site stats. And as you see, I plugged in olympiaservices.net up here, and it's showing me your UR and your DR, which is your overall page strength, and your backlink profile strength. So it's showing me that you only have 142 backlinks coming from 23 websites, and the do follow links, you only have 6 of them. Those are the only ones that you're gaining power from out of the 23. So that's why this is a 0.2. Now this can go up to 100, 100 being the strongest. So let's go over and have a peek at the guy who's in first, Core Plumbing. He has a 42 and a 15. Now he has 2.4K backlinks coming from 380. He only 240 though are giving him any power. The best part about this is we know it's ranking him in first place, his backlinks are. So I can click into all his powerful ones that are transferring power, and here's every site laid out for us to go and apply for your business. So we go and do this organically, make it look organic, and within time we have all his links, and then we go and add more on top of that, and we beat him in the rankings. So I'm going to show you what it looks like for him being in first and what you. So as you can see, let's look at your keywords. See what you're ranking for. Your name, Olympia Plumbing. This is going to show me the keyword, which is what people are typing into Google search engine bar, how many times that's being typed, how hard it is, and the traffic and position that you're in for that keyword. So when someone types Olympia Plumbing, there's 800 searches globally for that a month. This is a monthly figure. You're in 7th position, so you're getting 23 out of the 800 volume. So let's go look for some general ones, like the one I look for, Plumber San Diego. Restoration San Diego, 400 searches, you are in the 36th position. Mold removal Olympia, 30 searches for that, you're in the 3rd page, 29th position. Plumbing Olympia, that's probably a different. San Diego Restoration Company. San Diego water damage. As you can see, your keywords aren't really constructed the way that they're supposed to be. Let's go over and have a peek at Olympia's and see what theirs are looking like since they're in first place. Here we go. This is the way we want yours to be looking like. Plumber San Diego. Look at this. 1,300 volume. That's 1,300 people each and every month typing Plumber San Diego right here in the Google search bar. Plumber San Diego. 1,300 times a month that's being typed. And he's in 7th position. He's getting 23 traffic. So imagine what you get for being in the first position for that. Wait, this is yours, sorry. He's in the first position for that. So he's getting 315 clients to his website just off of this keyword alone. So Core Plumbing San Diego. See, this was Plumber San Diego. Plumbing San Diego. 600 searches a month. He's getting 49 traffic out of that. Plumber San Diego with the CA, 250. Lakeside Plumber, 700 searches a month. Plumbers San Diego with the S, 1,000 searches. Plumbing Repair San Diego, 150. San Diego Plumbing Company, 150. Plumbing Company San Diego, 300. So as you can see, just by having your site optimized and having the content, that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words, so you could put these keywords throughout, strategically placed, one per every 100 words. So when someone types this in, Google recognizes it, and if your site has the proper backlinks and power, you're going to rank on the first page for those keywords. So let's see what kind of traffic he's getting. So we know he's in first place for a lot of keywords. He's getting 736 traffic to his website. Let's say he turns out of those 736 people, he got half of them. That's about 315 clients he got. His estimated value, $23,000. This is a monthly figure. So his business is booming right now, and he thinks he's got it made, but his score isn't that great. We could easily take that over within 3 to 6 months for a lot of these keywords, and you guys could be pulling tons of business. And like I said, his score, I've seen way better scores than I've gotten clients to scores way better than this, and ranking a lot higher too. So here's a quick website client showing you some keywords. This is client we did content on. If you need Woodland Hills Plumber Residence Rely On, give us a call today. Professional Plumber Los Angeles, that's a keyword. And then throughout the content, Woodland Hills Plumber, Woodland Hills Plumbers, Plumber Woodland Hills. So as you can see, so when someone writes that, Google recognizes it on your website, and then boom, it links to you. But if you don't have those keywords on your page, it can't rank you for it. So that was just a quick overview, but I'd love to speak with you more on this. Let's just do a quick closing. First thing we talked about was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich, optimized content with those keywords we just went over, all placed throughout strategically, H1, H2 headings. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. Discount Plumbing's in first. We know we could beat him. Plus, I want to add 100 more, 200 more to yours, get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for plumbing services. The third thing we talked about was link juice. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that Olympia is the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, John, and I hope you have a great day today. Thanks. You can reach back out. All feedback is greatly appreciated through email, or you can call or text that number I just stated earlier. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day.